guys, so today's another vlog day featuring Gabe.
Yo, I just scared the living crap out of your brother.
Oh, what's my car on?
I go flying and all he goes is, ah!
You got bangs?
Yeah.
What?
So update on the tailmate. It started melting his rear diffuser. Ooh, it sounds like it's broken in though.
Yeah.
Sounds good. But yeah, we're doing that rear bumper delete or rear diffuser delete like I said we would. Gabe's Gabe. And I'm me. We're going up to Alex's house to install his third brake light on his 2018 WRX. So you're coming along with us for that.
My bad.
We're here installing the third brake light. I need the X-Acto to cut a groove into this grommet right here to shove the wiring harness through to get to the third brake light. And Gabe sits on an X-Acto and he doesn't even notice.
Almost impaled me in the ass.
I'm sorry. I
But this is
forgot it was
Alec.
back there.
This is his 18?
Nope, 20.
2020 WRX?
Yep.
What do you got done to it?
ETS intake and just the NVIDIA N1 single exit catback for now.
Sounds good.
Still waiting on to get a J-pipe and then full on stage 2 tune.
Yeah, so we're installing his third brake light today. It's gonna be my first time. I haven't installed it on my car yet, but now I'll know when I do it on my car. But yeah, so what you're gonna want to do is take out that trim panel right here that goes along where the latch is. It's just 3 pop clips down here. You're gonna want to remove that side of the trunk liner so you can access this taillight. He did get the quick release harness, so it's literally just plug and play. You just have to splice in a couple wires to these, and yeah.
No, me.
A close-up shot.
So we got it in. So he got the light from Burnzauto, but it's kind of the same as the OLM one you get from Subi Speed. So after we cut the grommet, I ran the wire to the third brake light down there. Instead of using the T-taps and all the female connections they had, I just spliced it into the harness. So the blue wire goes to the green wire, the red wire is to red, and black's obviously ground to the quick harness. Alec, you want to give a demonstration of what it looks like? That's the on position, and that's the brake. So yeah, that's what it looks like. There is no reverse function with this one, but yeah, that's how you do install on a 2020 WRX for your third brake light. Remember, you're gonna have to remove this trim, that trim. They say to remove this grommet, but I just slit the grommet so I could run it through and still be waterproofed. We did tuck it underneath this metal piece in the trunk and zip tied it, and looks all good. We just gotta put all the panels back in, get rid of the trash, and down there I gotta finish bolting the bracket. Anything else, I'll film it. but if not, then this is the end of the video.
My speakers.
This is the end of the video. I'll see you guys